Good afternoon, this is Teresa. I just this Flylady Friday, and I'm doing my first of the Flylady baby steps. And the first step is to shine your sink, and the instructions for that is to well, first you want to clean all your dishes up, and Flylady says either to move them out of the way, or what I like to do is just wash them up and get them out of the way. Then you fill your sink up with hot water and a cup of bleach. You'll let that set for an hour. When time is up, you'll drain it all out. Then rinse the sink out and really well to get the bleach out. Then you will take an SOS pad and scrub it down. Rinse that out really good. You want to rinse, after each chemical, you want to rinse each chemical really well before adding another one. Before the SOS, you want to sprinkle some comet or ajax on the sink, and then use your SOS on there. But after scrubbing it and rinsing it, you will take a knife. If you have a double sink like I do, you do both sides. And my sink, it will take about approximately 2 hours, 2.5 hours to do. My edges are pretty well, but after you get all this done, you'll want to take a knife and clean out all the dirt and grime around the edges of the sink. Up here, you can try to, but this is all hard water stains. I have a hard time getting that off. And then after all that's done, if you're not satisfied with it, you can go get your bottle of Windex or whatever window cleaner you have, spray it on there, and shine it up that way. I don't do that with mine, not usually. But that's all there is to it. You can get the steps from Flylady.net. I will put the steps in the description below. That's it. Until next video, I will see you then.